BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
Good morning, it's Michael Jenkins here from BTP. How are you this morning? Welcome to Monday, start of a busy week. I was sitting back today thinking, now what possibly could I give you, what nugget of information today could I give you? Something small business related, something that we all go through. We're a small business too. And then it came to me, it's obvious. Okay, so let's tell a story. Last Monday, I'm sitting at our boardroom table. I swung the chair around and bang, hit the boardroom table against my kneecap. I've had a dislocated kneecap now for about a week. It's all strapped down and I'm walking around a bit funny. I shouldn't be at work, I should be at home resting. But in small businesses, how often is it that one of the key players gets taken out? What happens? You got insurance, you got all sorts of things. What happens to your small one-man band computer company if the guy who runs it gets taken out? Well, kind of, he's hoping for friends, partners. In fact, we get called a lot for that kind of thing, to come and help out. So why here at BTP a bit different? Well, I'd like to think that I don't have to come into work tomorrow. I'm going to put my leg up and relax and hopefully maybe do some work from home. I can do that. Why can I do that? Well, I've got a team behind me. I've got a really good team behind me. I've got a person in charge of accounts, I've got a person in charge of bookkeeping, we've got invoicing, we've got purchase orders, we've got the technical teams, we've got the help desk. We've got so much going on, but I know I'm pretty comfortable that my guys can still keep looking after all the BTP clients. This is the difference we have. BTP has a team, and the team keeps everything in a help desk system, a software product that any other engineer can come along and pick up where another engineer's left off. If somebody has to go, I don't know, life issues happen, I guess, there's marriages, there's funerals, holidays, you get sick, whatever. If somebody has to not be at BTP for a length of time, it's all cool because everything's recorded. All of our customers, we have all the information we need. We can carry on and tag team from one to the other. That's what makes us unique, what makes us different. Not only do we have multiple teams here, but the multiple teams can act as one team, or one team member from one team can flick into another team and pick up a job as well. So we try to make sure that we've got all the resources we need to be able to look after all of our clients. We're not a one-man band. In fact, we get a pretty big team and we give them all cars and they're all out there and they're mobile, often available on weekends. We get out there and we help. The benefits of a team. So yeah, we're a small business. We do go through the same small business pains as other small businesses, but we've actually gotten over one hurdle. We've actually got a team here willing to come out and look at your issues. And hey, look, if the boss isn't there for a day, there's a second boss. Don't you worry, they can't muck up. So yeah, we're all good. But yeah, we have a team here and I can fully relax and take that day off. Today though, I've got appointments to get ready for. So no rest today. Hopefully doesn't prolong my problem kneecap for too long, but yeah, I have to get out there and do some work. So people out there, know who we are, share in the comments, let us know what your thoughts are, let us know how our team has helped you, share this with people who also could benefit from a team rather than a one-man band. We'd love to make some new acquaintances and friends out there. So look, have a great week. Monday, it's the start of the week, end of the month this month. Yep, something else all of us share in common is end of month, eeks, don't like that. But anyway, we're all here. We're all small business. We're all doing it for South Australia. So have a great day. We'll catch you probably tomorrow.